हेलो दोस्तों, वेक्टर के इस पार्ट में हम बात करेंगे वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट की, यानी क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट की। वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट जैसा हमने पढ़ा था पिछले में, डॉट प्रोडक्ट यानी कि डॉट प्रोडक्ट का रिजल्ट एक स्केलर आया था और यहाँ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट का जो रिजल्ट है वो वेक्टर है, इसीलिए इसे वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं। मान लेते हैं दो वेक्टर हैं ए और बी, इनकी जो वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट है ए क्रॉस बी विल बी गिवन बाय mod of A, mod of B, sin theta and n cap, where n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B। वेक्टर ए एंड बी के दोनों के परपेंडिकुलर एक वेक्टर होगा n कैप। यहां से हमें क्या पता चला कि ए क्रॉस बी का जो रिजल्ट है वो एक वेक्टर होगा और वो वेक्टर ए और बी दोनों के ही परपेंडिकुलर होगा। ये है क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मूला। आल्सो अगर गिवन है कि इफ ए क्रॉस बी इज इक्वल टू 0, इसका मतलब आइदर मोड ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 0 और मोड ऑफ बी इज इक्वल टू 0 और साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0। इफ साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 इट मीन्स थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री और पाई। It means that A and B are either collinear or they are parallel to each other. If two vectors are parallel to each other or if they are collinear, then their cross product will be 0. One thing is to remember that sin theta can never be negative. Less than 0 is not possible, so theta will always be lies between 0 degree and less than pi degree. One also thing is that a cross 0 is also 0, b cross 0 is also 0, and if sin theta is equal to 0 it means that the whole product will be 0. Also A cross A is equal to 0, B cross B is also 0. यहां से हमें यह पता चला कि if I cross I is equal to 0 is equal to J cross J is equal to K cross K, where I, J and K are the unit vectors acting along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Then if A is perpendicular to B, it means theta is equal to 90 degree and sin theta is equal to 1, implies that A cross B is equal to mod of A mod of B, a vector n. It means that these three are mutually perpendicular to each other. Also, if mod of A is equal to 1 and mod of B is also 1, means A and B are unit vectors, then mod of A cross B will be sin theta or A cross B is equal to sin theta vector n. यहां से हमें क्या पता चला कि साइन थीटा का जो फॉर्मूला है, साइन थीटा विल बी गिवन बाय मोड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी अपॉन मोड ऑफ ए इंटू मोड ऑफ बी। दिस विल बी द फॉर्मूला फॉर द एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स फ्रॉम क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट। आल्सो इफ n is perpendicular to a cross b, it will also be perpendicular to minus a cross b. Implies that vector n is given by plus minus a cross b upon mod of a cross b. And if a and b are perpendicular, where now their geometrical representation. For example, we are considering a parallelogram. OA and OB, this will be C. OA के along वेक्टर A है और OB के along वेक्टर B. यहां से हमें पता चला कि एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम with adjacent sides A and B is given by mod of A cross B, and area of triangle, if we made a triangle like this OAB, area of any triangle with adjacent side A and B, area will be given by 1 by 2 of mod of A cross B. And if diagonals are A cross B, diagonals of a parallelogram are A and B, then the area of the parallelogram will be given by 1 by 2 of A cross B. These are the three formula for finding the area. Also, some properties of vector product. If properties of vector product, the first one, it is not commutative. It means that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. However, A cross B is equal to negative of B cross A. The first property is this. Also, second property is vector product. यानी vector product is associative with scalar. It means that M cross A cross B is equal to M of A cross B is equal to A cross M of B, where M is a scalar. The third property is A cross B in the determinant form is equal to I J K and A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3, where A1I plus B A2J plus A3 की and B is equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3 की. This is the determinant form to find the vector product of two given vectors. The fourth property will be distributive. Vector product is distributive with respect to vector addition. Means A cross B plus C is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. And the next is most important, the relation between vector product and scalar product. Mod of A cross B का square is equal to mod of A का square into mod of B का square minus A dot B का square. This is the formula for the relation between vector product and scalar product. Also, mod of A cross B के square is given by A dot A dot B, this is A dot B and this will be B dot B. Thank you.